Hello everyone, this is Mass Roots NWR here, and here we have the all new All Engines Go toys. Yeah, Thomas and Percy. As you guys may know, I already have the Muddy Thomas and the Party Percy things. Yeah, they're on my shelf right there along with the talking engines. So, I'll see enough pause this video and open them up. Alright, here they are. As usual, we'll start with Thomas. I mean, I already went into detail about him already. But yeah, this is Thomas. The all just go Thomas. Plain, big, ugly, yes. Yeah, that face is just pure evil. I really don't understand why they made it like completely giant. Like completely dwarfs my regular Thomas. And if I try to put him here, he gets stuck. Makes no sense. And I wasted $20 on both of these guys. Well, $21 to be exact. And the cargo cars themselves are just regular open top wagons. This one even has a ball for some reason. Alright, now Percy. I guess his face is a bit more accurate to new show, but God almighty, he's not accurate to the actual model of Percy. At least the Echo looks better, I guess. We'll compare him to this Percy, which is a lot better. It actually looks like an actual engine, not some Google Paint drawing. And as you can see, still is a heck of a lot bigger and taller, but it is shorter. That's it. Quite a shame that Mattel had to give us this. They were doing so good with the talking engines, but then now we just have all Engines Go merch. The only good All Engines Go merch is like literally the push along. That's it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just giving you guys a bit of an update that I did that. At least my day wasn't all that bad because I did go rail fanning at South Station. So I'll show you some videos of that too. Well, this is Mass Roots signing out.